Hello everyone, are you an owner of a US LLC or a partnership and are looking to apply for ITIN? Do you need that ITIN to expand your business, to get a US bank account, or any other reason? Well, we can definitely help. I am Akhil Bansal, a US certified public accountant, and our firm, USA Tax Gurus, we are a CAA, which is a certified acceptance agent, and we can definitely help you apply for that ITIN to help you expand your business. You must already know that you have to complete W-7 form that acts as your ITIN application, but along with that, there are a couple of additional documents that you usually have to send out. So we have the W-7 form in front of us right now. So if you see, if you select any of the reasons B through G, right, these reasons, right, you will be needing to you will be required to file a US federal income tax return, which is a 1040 or a 1040 NR, right? But they have one more option, which is other, right? And it says to see instructions. So if we go to the W-7 instructions on the IRS website, right, there are all these exceptions that you may qualify for if you're selecting that option H, right? In this, exception 1A is specifically for individuals who are partners of a US or a foreign partnership, right? So in the US, an LLC, right? Even two people in an LLC, that's considered a partnership. But even if you have a single member LLC, this exception can still apply to you, and we can help you complete the documentation in a way that will help you qualify for this exception, right? So if you're an individual who basically owns a US LLC, right, either as a partner or even a single member LLC, you will be able to qualify for this exception. Right, along with the W-7, the documents that you usually need to send out is, a copy of the portion of the partnership or the LLC agreement displaying the partnership's EIN number, right? So the LLC's EIN number, we need to show that. So it's better to send out that EIN letter, the one that you received, CP 575, the initial notice that you must have received that shows your EIN. Mention that on the operating agreement as well, and then show that you're a partner in the US. Partnership conducting business in the US, right? So again, when they're saying partnership, you can replace that with even single member LLCs. So this exception will apply to you, right? If you want to apply for an ITIN, if you have a single member LLC or a multi-member LLC, you can qualify to apply for an ITIN, right? So in terms of sending out the documentation, I've covered this in other videos as well, right? Usually you will be required to send out your passport along with all these documents, the EIN, the operating agreement, the articles of incorporation, the W-7, right? So, but sending out the passport, that's the big thing, right? So we don't want to send out the passport to the US because it can take about 6 to 8 weeks for the IRS to process the ITIN application, and shipping the passport overseas is just not a safe option, right? So what you can do instead is hire certified acceptance agents, people like us, right? And we can certify those documents in your home country, right? Let's say if you're in India, right? Even though we're a remote firm, we do have a presence in US and India. We can certify those documents for you, so you don't have to send out the original passport overseas to the IRS, right? So we take care of a lot of those things. We'll prepare the entire ITIN application, the documentation, and we'll send you the instructions for what we need to help you complete this. And it usually takes about 6 to 8 weeks for the IRS to process it. So if you're interested in applying for an ITIN, feel free to reach out to us. These are our numbers again, and we'll be more than happy to help you apply for an ITIN.